Hey everyone, Chad from Kel-Tec. Today I'm going to show you how to install your magazine tube extension on your KS7. Your magazine tube extension kit will come with the extension itself, a fancy aluminum follower, and a much longer spring. To get started, first of all, you want to make sure your gun's clear. We've already made sure this gun's clear. You'll want to put your safety glasses on because anytime you're dealing with a spring tension, you want to protect your eyes. First thing you want to do is go ahead and remove the cap. If you need to use a tool, you could use a pair of pliers or some household tool to help you get it off. And just go ahead and remove your old spring. If you want to use the fancy new aluminum follower, just dump out your stock follower. Looks like that, a plastic white one. Drop the follower in with the small side facing the chamber. The end of your spring is going to fit right inside the follower here. So make sure you drop it down so that side's exposed. Next thing you want to do is take your extension and go ahead and screw it on. Take the spring, go ahead and slide it onto the follower. I just take 2 fingers on either hand and I grab 2 or 3 coils at a time and just feed them in. And then hold them in, let the cap catch the end of the spring, and then go ahead and thread it. You don't have to really muscle this thing on. Make it nice and snug. And that's it, guys. There's your magazine tube extension on your KS7. So take it out to the range, go have some fun, be safe. Thanks for watching.